This project is the largest Syrian orphanage in Turkey, and it's the first of its kind. It's unique in the sense that it's completely family run, which means it's not a corporate charity program and there aren't any overpaid officials. This means that you don't get the wastage of valuable resources and the inefficiencies. You don't get that cold, compassion-lacking facility where a child is just a number. It does mean that resources are highly valued and efficiently used, and that every child matters and is loved and cared for. This facility was set up by a mother and daughter team. The mother, whose name is Samira, and the daughter, who's Manar. It started out by Sister Samira taking in 4 orphans initially and housing them safely in Turkey, and that then grew from 4 to 80, then to 106, which they currently house. However, the facility does have capacity for 240 orphans. However, it lacks the funding to be able to accommodate them at this stage. As you know, the war in Syria has ravaged on for over 7 years, and there has never been a greater need for institutions like this very orphanage based here in Gaziantep, Turkey, only a stone throw away from the Syrian border, for Syrian orphan children to be housed here and avoid and escape the trauma and the difficulties of the refugee camps or the homelessness or the torture or the capture or the fear, and be housed here in the environment of safety, in the environment of love and warmth. And there isn't anybody who knows this better than Mohammed Damur at Dar es Salaam Orphanage.
The reason that we have this center here is like to protect kids, to give them love, hope, let them dream again and feel safe again.
Poverty is trapping tens of thousands of Syrian refugee children into a life of labour. Children are vulnerable to exploitation.
After suffering years of war, these children are on their own. Their parents and those who would have cared for them are gone.
If after having seen this video, you've not been moved to contribute from your time or your wealth, I have to make you aware that there isn't anybody else. It's only you and I. The orphanage itself has been at the brink of closure a number of times, where the management have mentioned to the orphan children and the widows that that's it, pack your things, we're going to have to close down because they've run out of funds. So I implore you to dig deep and look into your heart and see if there's something that you can do to support these orphans for years to come. If you can support them with your ongoing contribution in terms of wealth, or your ongoing contribution in terms of time, whether it's fundraising for us or it's simply creating awareness for this cause.
One day something goes viral, the next day we completely forget it.